Ever watched a superhero movie and wondered how cool it would be to have your very own transformation montage? Well, buckle up, because today we're giving the Road King Custom a superhero-worthy upgrade. We're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of motorcycle modification. We'll strip this Road King down to its bare essentials and rebuild it, customizing it into a beast that's just as unique as you are. We're going to talk about exhausts, suspensions, and a whole lot more. You know, we always say, why just ride when you can rule the road? So let's get started. Hello and welcome to the motorcycle lifestyle. Our first stop, the Vance and Hines Big Radius 2x2. This bad boy is the crowd's favorite. It not only gives your ride a distinctive deep rumble, but also sharpens up the luck. It's all about the power chamber crossover technology here, folks. It cranks up horsepower and torque, while the quality materials ensure durability. Plus, those full coverage heat shields, now that's some spicy style. But hold up, we've got Cobra's 2-in-1 system right on its tail. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a power boost. With a roar that'll make you feel like you're on a drag strip, the Cobra's amazing sound will make you feel that your Road King will rule the streets. And don't forget to add a wraparound heat shield, because chrome that isn't blue is quite a sight. For those of you who like to slip on something comfortable, we've got the Reinhardt Racing 4-inch slip-on mufflers. Reinhardt's reputation for quality doesn't disappoint. These mufflers are no exception. Deep, aggressive tone and easy installation? Sign me up. With Reinhardt's logo on the exhaust tips and a large 4-inch diameter end caps, your Road King is going to shine. Now, who's ready for a power trip? Meet the S&S Cycle Grand National 2-in-2 system. This ain't your grandma's exhaust, folks. This thing screams performance, with an aggressive sound and a sleek design. Oh, and for those of you who like to have control, the decibel reducers are removable. And last but not least, we have the Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 system. This exhaust system is like putting your Road King on steroids. The pipes have a stepped header design that increases power and a ceramic coating that helps maintain performance over time. The megaphone style muffler produces a powerful sound. So what's it going to be, folks? Sound, performance, aesthetics, or all three? It is important to check if the system you choose is legally allowed in your region, because different areas have different laws. Additionally, modifying your exhaust may require a tune-up or adjustment of your bike's fuel system. Make sure to consider these factors before making any changes to avoid causing damage to your engine. As every rider knows, when you hit the highway, good suspension is a must. If you're all about that Rolls-Royce of suspensions, then you might want to set your sights on the Erlins HD 357 shocks. Imagine this: high-pressure gas-type shocks, an internal reservoir, all waiting for you to adjust them to your unique weight and riding style. Stability? Check. Enhanced cornering? Absolutely. With decades of experience under their belt, Erlins is bringing you a smoother and more enjoyable ride. But let's say you're a long-haul kind of rider. Then it's time to meet the Progressive Suspension 944 Ultra Touring Shocks. Their frequency sensing technology is like having a personal butler adjusting your damping on the fly. Add in the extra travel without raising the ride height, and you've got improved handling without saying goodbye to that sleek custom look. Now, for those of you who love simplicity, let me introduce you to the Legend Suspensions Revo A shocks. Just give that knob a twist and adjust the spring preload to your heart's content. These shocks are well known for their comfortable ride and ability to prevent bottoming out. They have longer coils and a wider range of effectiveness, which ensures a great ride regardless of the weight you're carrying. For the rebels out there who want to bring their Road King closer to the road, the Burley brand Slammer kit's got your back. And front too. It lowers your rear suspension by around 2.5 inches and includes dropped fork springs to bring down the front end. While you're cruising down the street with that epic lowrider look, remember, a significant drop may change the way your bike handles bumps and potholes. Remember, your choice will depend on what you want to feel beneath you and the kind of asphalt jungle you're conquering. An upgraded suspension can transform your Road King Custom, making it feel like a brand new beast. Let's steer this Road King adventure towards saddlebag upgrades. Your storage and style ride shotgun when we talk saddlebags. Rolling in first, we have the Viking Bags Warrior series. For those of you who dig the fusion of style and utility, these saddlebags are your knights in shining leather. With ample storage and a timeless custom look, these bags are your all-weather friends. Did I mention the quick disconnect system? It's like magic. Your saddlebags are off when you don't need them, just like that. For those of you who prefer the classic road warrior look, your chariot awaits with the Harley-Davidson hard saddlebags. Storage? Check. Lockable for added security? Check. The sleek, streamlined look? Double check. Crafted from sturdy, injection-molded ABS, these bags laugh in the face of road challenges. Also, they're OEM, which is always a plus. Budget-conscious riders, you're up next with Mutazu's MU Series hard saddlebags. These economical yet stylish saddlebags don't skimp on storage or durability. Designed with ABS plastic, they're weather-resistant and low maintenance, proving that sleek style doesn't always have to burn a hole in your pocket. And for those who crave a unique custom touch, meet the Leatherworks Inc. 312 Chopper Bag. Handmade in the USA from top-grain cowhide. This bag is for those who champion the classic minimalist look. While it might not offer as much storage as its fellow contenders, it's a rock-star choice for shorter, swag-filled trips. Choosing a saddlebag is about harmonizing storage needs, aesthetics, and your riding weather. A saddlebag upgrade can be the finishing touch to your Road King Customs transformation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Road King customization tips. Until next time, keep those engines revving. Alright gearheads, we've talked exhausts, we've talked suspension, we've talked saddlebags. Now let's dive into the world of other exciting upgrades for your Harley-Davidson Road King Custom. First on the list are handlebars. Changing your handlebars can transform your Road King's look and ride comfort level. Think about ape hangers for a true chopper aesthetic, or beach bars for a laid-back vibe and a more relaxed riding stance. Next up, we've got seats. For those long-haul riders, upgrading your seat can be a real game-changer for comfort. Consider seats with extra cushioning or a supported backrest. If you're cruising in chillier weather, heated seats could be a hot pick. Now, onto the adrenaline boosters, performance upgrades. Looking to improve your engine's efficiency? Consider a new air intake system or tuning kits. Now, why are they important? By upgrading to a more efficient air intake system, you're giving your engine more air to work with. Not only does this improve your bike's acceleration and top speed, but it can also make your engine run smoother and even improve fuel efficiency. Next up, tuning kits. These kits adjust your bike's electronic control unit, or ECU, which is basically the computer that controls how your engine runs. Tuning kits can optimize your engine's fuel-air mixture, ignition timing, and a whole lot more, helping you get the maximum power and efficiency out of your bike. Now, if you're looking to throw a powerful punch, big bore kits and camshaft upgrades are the way to go. Big bore kits increase your engine's displacement by increasing the diameter of the cylinders and pistons. More displacement equals more power, folks. These kits can dramatically increase your engine's horsepower and torque, turning your Road King Custom into a true road beast. And let's not forget about camshaft upgrades. Your camshaft controls when the valves in your engine open and close. By changing your camshaft to one with a different cam profile, you can change when and how much your valves open. This can lead to more power at different RPMs, depending on the cam profile you choose. Each of these performance upgrades can significantly elevate your Road King's power output. Remember, it's not just about turning your bike into a rocket, but rather fine-tuning it to your riding style and preferences. More power for passing and climbing hills, or a smoother ride for those long road trips. Whatever your goal is, these performance upgrades can get you there. Lighting. It's not just about visibility, folks, it's a style statement too. Upgrading to LED lights not only improves your visibility, but adds a modern, bright look to your Road King. They're brighter, last longer, and add a dazzling touch to your bike. Wheels, the spinning beauties. An upgrade here can completely redefine your bike's look. Go classic with spoked wheels, or sleek and contemporary with cast wheels. Remember, your Road King's wheels aren't just for performance, they're a part of the overall aesthetics. Lastly, let's talk about the ultimate personal touch: custom paint. Want to flaunt a classic Harley flame design or a cool blacked out look, or something entirely unique? A custom paint job can make your Road King truly one of a kind. Until next time, ride safe, and remember, life is short. Ride more motorcycles.